Marhaba, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to share with you my trip to Egypt. I was on a flight from Muscat via Dubai to Alexandria, and it's very interesting to see the flight safety demonstration by Fly Dubai. I love the cartoon. I have 2 hours transit time in Dubai Terminal 2, and I spend my time in the business class lounge of Fly Dubai. And at the entrance, you see the flight information, some sitting area, different timing, and the reception here. They check me in is very fast just to show the boarding pass, and I just walk through the lounge as usual. The size of the lounge is fine, but yeah, it is quite a lot of people because there were several flights at the same time. And but still, I managed to get some seats. And what I like about the lounge is like once your flight is departing, they will announce it, and then you just need to proceed to the gate and get on the bus, and you will get your flight directly from the lounge. And they have very good selection of food. As you can see here, they have so many different kind of hot dishes. I didn't taste much of it. I think at the end I just had some prawn because I had so many food already in previous lunch in Muscat. Somehow, for the fun side of traveling, it's always good to look around even you do not taste it. So you see a selection of salad just now, and on the other side there are again some other hot dishes such as a kapsa you have just seen. And here is some stroganoff. Yeah, the Russian style beef stew, I believe, is stroganoff. And some salad as well here, some cold cut. It's beautiful, yeah, it's beautiful. Some desserts here and some fruit as well. I love it, actually I love it. Again, just my stomach is full. I cannot feel too much of it. And it is not really necessary you taste all of it. The other good detail here is that they have some lockers for you to use. The good thing of this lounge is also they provide 2 different sections of food and beverage outlet. You can see here on the other side we have some tea station, coffee machine, as well as some sandwiches. Just a short stay, my flight is ready for boarding. After 4 hours, I arrive in Alexandria International Airport, and the driver is ready right here to pick me up. I enjoy my stay in Alexandria. I'm on the business trip here. I enjoy the drink and sunsets after my work, and I always enjoy to have a walk after dinner. Food and service here is wonderful, such as this grilled octopus, this lamb rack, and my favorite sea bass with lots of asparagus, and this beautiful seafood soup, one of my favorites. Of course, I do taste some local North African delight, such as this Moroccan dish, seafood tagine. Very fast, this is the last day of my work, and I have some great speech with the participants, have good picture, and thank you for my host here. On my departure day here is on Saturday, the last day of my stay here. I take my time to walk around the hotel to feel the lobby, go around to see the artwork of the hotel, to see the decoration, to feel it, to feel the relaxing atmosphere at the end. Is really relaxing. I would say in general the whole stay is just perfect. Even I didn't have a chance to go around Alexandria here, but that's great. Thank you for watching.